Keys does not have to do with donuts. We know now why it says Key Shop. All right. You learn something new every day. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we're in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we found this cool little place called Your Mom's Donuts. Look at this place. It's like teeny tiny. Like I can climb on the roof from here. I'm gonna go up here and see what they got. Hey there. So, you got some donuts here.
I do.
Yeah, tell me what you got.
So we got a mint chocolate chip, a classic glaze where all the donuts get started from, then dark chocolate ganache, vanilla with sprinkles, lemon honey, and salted caramel.
Ooh, are those donuts square?
They are, so we waste less dough.
Wow. Waste less dough. I like that. That means more dough in my belly. All right. Now, this is a hard decision. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I get one of each? I don't know.
But you have to get classic glaze because that's the base, right?
I think I'm going to try two.
Okay.
And I think I'm going to try the classic glazed. Okay. And I think I'm going to try the lemon honey.
Gotcha.
Because I don't know that I've ever heard of a lemon honey donut. There's your classic glazed, square, so we get the full effect of the dough. Not gonna lose anything. And look at the topping on this. Oh, I can't wait to dive into that. Oh, we're gonna dive into that in just a minute. We've got these donuts and they look amazing, and I can't wait to dive into these. But before I dive into these, I'd like to know a little bit about where did the idea of the donut shop come from?
So the owner Courtney actually was running a farm, and she kind of wanted to use local ingredients and support local farmers, and so that's how kind of all this started. And so everything's sourced locally as much as we can, affordably. And so yeah, that's kind of how it started. It started with deliveries, and then just kind of blossomed into the shop in Matthews. And then we found this little shop and needed to make it a donut home.
Okay, y'all, we here with the donuts that we just got, and I am super excited to try these. So we have 3 different flavors that we got here. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a bite of each, and I'm going to rank the donuts 1, 2, and 3 to see what I like the best. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the original glazed. Here goes the original glazed. All right, here we go. Pure original glaze. It's really good because the glaze doesn't just sit on top and take over. It's part of the donut. So that's a good pure glazed donut. So I'll give that one. Right now it's ranked number 1. Now we got here a little bit late in the day, so not all of the flavors. If you zoom down here, you can see all of these different flavors that they have. A ton of flavors. But we got here a little bit late in the day, so they didn't have quite as many left. But if we get here early in the day, you guys have just tons of flavors. What is your absolute favorite donut that you have?
Well,
you can pick just one.
It's funny that you say that because this week it is staff peak, the staff week, and so my flavor is actually on there is the lime with toasted coconut.
Lime with toasted coconut.
Yeah, I think it just hits all the right spots. But if I'm going for the classic ones, the ones that we have all the time, vanilla bean is my favorite. It tastes like vanilla ice cream on top of the donut. It's really good.
Oh, vanilla bean. That sounds good. I love vanilla bean ice cream, so we might have to come back towards the beginning of the day so we have even more choices. Okay, I'm going to go with now, I'm going to go with this lemon one. Let's see here. That lemon flavor is so fresh on that. Imagine drinking a cold glass of lemonade in the summer, but in donut form. Okay. Now for you glaze purists out there, glaze may still rank number 1, but I am now moving the lemon donut into the #1 position.
Okay, I noticed on the side of your building here that it says Key Shop in letters. Now, the last I thought about, I don't know anything about key shops being anything about donuts. Do you make key-shaped donuts, or this doesn't make any sense to me?
So yeah, so this little hut is a staple in Charlotte, and this key shop has been standing here for years and years and years. I can't even give you a date. We wanted to ode to the key shop and keep the sign there. We still have people that come up and ask if we still make keys. We have to tell them no, they're just right over there. But yeah, so they were deciding to do it on in the store, and so we snatched this up and said this is perfect.
Oh, okay. So there's a hardware store right across here, and so the hardware store used to make their keys in this little kiosk. All right, now that makes sense. All right, so no keys does not have to do with donuts. We know now why it says Key Shop. All right, you learn something new every day.
So we now have lemon and then glazed. And so next we will we're going to go with the chocolate ganache. Now it's a dark chocolate ganache. Now I can't take very much of this donut because this is the donut that my wife picked out, and I don't want to take much from her. I want her to be able to enjoy it, but I will take a bite. So we're going to see how this one comes out. The chocolate ganache. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so that is a dark chocolate ganache. But you know what? It's not too bitter. You know, sometimes a dark chocolate can get really bitter. That's just a really good chocolate flavor. So if you're a chocolate donut fan, you will like the chocolate ganache. Okay, here are my final rankings. Let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell. You never know when we're going to be in your area, and you don't want to miss any of our videos. And give us a big thumbs up like if you're really liking these videos. It really does help the channel.
This is such a neat place. If you're ever in Charlotte, North Carolina, come find this place. It's really, it's kind of small, but that's all you need. Donuts aren't very big. You don't need a big place to put donuts in.
In third place, the original glazed. In second place, coming in, is the chocolate ganache. That means in first place is the lemon donut. I've got to have another bite of the lemon donut. Oh, that thing's so good. That is so good. Until next time, we'll see ya.